Welcome to Opel.
A true OMG moment.
Here it is, our vision of the future of GSE.
We're here in Berlin. It's the Gran Turismo World Series, racing, gaming, live streaming all around the globe. And with our Opel Corsa GSE Vision Gran Turismo, we are at the very heart of this event. I did get to take the car on a spin or two around the track. That was a lot of fun. It's great to see the physical and digital world now really come to life.
I was really excited to see the car live on stage.
Something I have never experienced, and wow!
I was hoping for Opel to come back in the GT, and now we have it.
It's futuristic, so yeah, I really like it a lot.
I'm sure we've opened a world of new opportunities, and I'm very happy about that.
ですね、僕と、オペルとの関係っていうのは実はなので今回、オペルの皆さんがビジョングランツーリスモを作っていただけると聞いた時にはすごく嬉しかった。
We ventured into new territory with the collaboration in the gaming world with Gran Turismo.
Oh my God!